Hey food fans, let's talk Spam. This canned wonder has been around for ages, since 1937 to be exact. That's almost a century of tantalizing taste buds. From the beaches of Hawaii to the streets of Korea, Spam has earned its place on plates around the world. But what exactly is lurking beneath that iconic blue can? What magic makes this mystery meat so globally loved? Buckle up, food lovers, as we dive deep into the delicious world of Spam. First things first, let's break down the Spam recipe. It's simpler than you might think. We're talking 6 main ingredients: pork, ham, salt, water, sugar, and a touch of sodium nitrite. Now that sodium nitrite might sound scary, but hold on, it's just a common preservative. Keeps things fresh and adds that signature pink hue. So no need to worry about a laundry list of chemicals. Spam keeps it real with a surprisingly short and sweet ingredient list. Ready for a behind-the-scenes tour of Spam production? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the fascinating world of how this iconic canned meat is made. Let's fire up those engines and hit the road. Our journey begins with a scenic drive, setting the stage for the adventure ahead. First stop, the meat grinder. This is where the magic starts. They blend that pork shoulder and ham into a meaty masterpiece, creating the base for what will become Spam. The grinding process ensures the meat is finely minced, making it easier to mix with other ingredients. Next, they toss in the salt, water, sugar, and sodium nitrite. These ingredients are crucial, not just for flavor, but also for preserving the meat and giving Spam its distinctive taste and texture. The precise measurements and timing are key to achieving that perfect blend. Think of it like a giant food processor, mixing up all that goodness. The mixture is churned and blended until it reaches a smooth, consistent texture. This step is vital to ensure that every can of Spam has the same quality and taste. Once it's all blended, the mixture is packed into those familiar cans. The automated canning line ensures that each can is filled to the exact right amount, maintaining consistency across the board. Workers oversee the process, making sure everything runs smoothly. Then, it's time for a little spa treatment. The cans get sealed tight and take a nice hot bath to cook everything to perfection. This cooking process not only ensures the meat is safe to eat, but also locks in all those delicious flavors. The final steps? Cooling, labeling, and packing them up. The cans are cooled down to room temperature, then labeled with that iconic Spam branding. Finally, they're packed into boxes, ready to be shipped out. And just like that, Spam is ready to roll out to a store near you. From the factory floor to your pantry, this journey ensures that every can of Spam meets the highest standards of quality and taste. So next time you open a can, you'll know exactly what went into making that delicious mystery meat. Fueling the masses. Spam's nutritional breakdown. Let's dive into what makes this iconic canned meat so intriguing. Okay, truth time. Spam isn't exactly health food. It's often criticized for its high sodium and fat content. But hey, we're all about enjoying life's guilty pleasures. After all, food is not just about nutrition. It's about joy and connection. While it's packed with protein, Spam also packs a punch of sodium and fat. A single serving can contain up to 790 milligrams of sodium and 16 grams of fat. So, moderation is key, folks. It's all about balance. Enjoying Spam in small amounts can be part of a balanced diet. Think of it as a treat, not an everyday staple. Pair it with vegetables and whole grains to make a more balanced meal. Like that amazing burger joint you hit up once a month. It's all about those special moments and indulgences. But hey, there are ways to lighten things up. Try the lower sodium versions, which can cut the sodium content by almost half. Or grill it up instead of frying. Grilling can help reduce the fat content and add a delicious smoky flavor. Every little bit helps. So next time you're planning a meal, remember that Spam can be part of the fun. Just keep it in moderation and enjoy the moments it brings to your table. Spam. Through the ages. A walk down memory lane. Spam's story isn't just about ingredients and production lines. It's a journey through time, reflecting the resilience and creativity of people during some of the most challenging periods in history. It's a real slice of history. From its inception in 1937, Spam has been more than just a canned meat product. It has been a symbol of ingenuity and adaptability. This canned classic became a lifeline during World War II, feeding soldiers and civilians alike. With meat shortages and rationing, Spam provided a reliable source of protein that was easy to transport and store. It was affordable, shelf-stable, and surprisingly versatile. Advertisements from the era showcased its many uses, from breakfast to dinner, making it a household staple. People were whipping up Spam frittatas, Spam casseroles, even Spam salads. Recipe books were filled with creative ways to incorporate Spam into everyday meals, highlighting its versatility. And guess what? Spam's popularity didn't fade after the war. It continued to be a beloved pantry item, finding its way into post-war celebrations and family dinners throughout the 1950s and beyond. It became a cultural icon, inspiring everything from Monty Python sketches to Hawaiian cuisine. Today, Spam is celebrated in festivals and remains a beloved ingredient in many dishes around the world. In conclusion, more than meets the eye. So there you have it, folks. The lowdown on Spam. It's more than just a can of meat. It's a taste of history, a cultural phenomenon, and a testament to the power of simplicity. Next time you see that blue can, you'll know there's a whole lot more inside than meets the eye. Now, if you'll excuse me, all this talk about Spam has got me craving a Spam musubi. Keep on cooking, everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button.